Good afternoon, YouTube. Got a surprising unboxing video today. As you can see what's right here in front of us. I decided to put a plug on again the E7 and the switch that has 10 gigs PoE++ that's going to support this. And I'm going to replace the U6 Pro that I had for I think 2 years when they first came out. I'm going to replace that. I might put that one in the basement as a backup, or I just keep it online for a bit and see what I'm gonna do with it. We definitely test the range of this. So, and I did add something else to my server rack that you guys don't know about. I'm gonna do a rack update probably later. I'm really waiting on something that I really can't say. I don't want to spoil the fun. So let's get to this unboxing. So first we're gonna unbox this Enterprise 7. Let's get to it. Check this bad boy out. Pull it down. Slide it right on out. Oh my God, look at her. Such a beauty. I love when Ubiquiti do their, shipping and stuff. Like, they do it so well and neat. Look at that. Nice and white. Oh, look at that. Got a 10 gig plus port back here, and we got the, what is that? This is the backup port, just PoE port right here. So it's like a failover system. One goes down, the other will kick in place, vice versa. We're mainly gonna be using a 10 gig PoE++ port. Look at that, such a beauty. Place it to the side here. And we got the mounting screws, the mounting plate. Okay, well, nice and packaged. And we got the screws and stuff down here. We're not gonna use any of this because I already have a spot that's gonna sit. And then until I get to the point where it's time to mount this guy up, I'm gonna come back to this. But as for right now, we're not gonna use any of the accessories that comes with this. Move it to the side. Now the big boy, can't wait to get this. This right here is the Switch Pro SG 10 PoE. Yes, sir. Go ahead and get this guy open. Of course, got the packaging that ships with almost every Switch. Let's open this up, see what's in here. Hardware kit. Okay, so we got the screws, we got the feet to keep it from sliding, and the rack mount screws. Okay. Power plug, we definitely need this. And we got the server racket right here, and the manual down there. Won't need any of that. But the power cable. Put this to the side for right now. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh my God. Man, just look at the packaging. Like, they really take care of their stuff, man. Now we're gonna take this off like this. Ooh, look at this. All right, get this bad boy up. Okay, so this is the back side. Voila. Would you look at that? Upside down, my bad. US Pro SG POE. Look at that. So all 10 gig ports, and we got 10 SFP plus ports. Reset buttons right here. We definitely use an uplink from the aggregation switch to on the SFP plus port. Let's go to the back side. Got the fans back here, and this is where the power cable goes. So how I'm gonna put this in my switch, into my, how I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna take my NAS that's connected to the aggregation switch by, SLP plus, and I'm gonna remove that and plug into one of the RJ45 ports instead. I wanted to keep my aggregation switch just for my switches and stuff like that. So that way, just like a simple highway system. That's what I'm going to do. And just to simplify things, so if I need to look for something, I can just go to the switches and not the aggregation switch. Yep, this is gonna be perfect for any future devices that I add to my switch, which we'll get on that later. But about to put this down. Put all this together. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you boys like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.